Okay, Jamaica, this is the first coconut tree. As we say, count your blessings by counting your trees. The amount of coconut trees you have in life can multiply your blessings in the future. So count your blessings by counting your trees. Okay, Clinda, it's time for some water. You've just been planted, so we're gonna put some water at your root. Yes, there we go. There you go, beautiful. Let's go water Cocomo. We'll be right back, and we're gonna put some grass around you, Clinda. Be strong. No fertilizer for you. Not gonna do that to you. Hey, Cocomo, time for your first water. Clinda got some water, and there you go. Take that water. We're gonna give you some more later. I'm gonna water you in the evenings and in the mornings. Take care of yourself. It's time to grow, baby. I put a little lime right there so you could have a lemon twist taste when the coconut grow up, so it tastes like lemon coconut, all right? So, you know what I mean? Just put that lime down in the root right there, so just have a little lemony taste. Stir that lime with you. A little company, all right? All right, easy. No watch no face. This is Randy. You have a brother named Cocomo and a sister named Clinda. Everybody I pray for your growth. You hear me say? Take your time. You know what I mean? Go through the rock them. The Almighty bless you. Don't let nobody test you. Don't follow nobody now. You see them bamboo tree around you? No follow them. Sometimes them a bad company. They make noise and they group together. So watch out for the bamboo tree them. Grow around them. You see them a block your sunlight? That's how bad mind people stay more time. But go through the sunshine, you see? So protect yourself, I go water you. Take care of yourself, I love you. Alright, Clinda, yes sir. Bring some water for you and some grass. You're not Clinda, you're uneasy. Alright, so easy. You have to deal with the berries, you know. I go get her. Yeah man, you get enough water for keep it nice. Some grass around you. Okay. Keep the earth damp. Make everything nice like a swamp. Yeah, you have a good man. Don't watch no face. And I go touch you. Easy, bless up yourself. Alright, now we're gonna go to it. I'll clean down, put some grass around there. Because you have to keep nice and moist. The thing, so keep the grass around the thing, so yeah, the Cocomo in the church. Alright, so you're good now. You got water. So the grass for the dragon tell me say they would keep the ground damp. I tried to dig many different holes for trees and the stone gave me a fight. So hopefully all these trees will unite and I'll go get some things to make sure that the thing damp out. Make sure say them grow and make sure say water them. Alright? Get some wire to protect them so the goat don't eat them. Alright, so we have 3 more trees to plant. We're going to keep it going. Now this, I think he said this is a poinsettia. So the dragon plant this. So I'm going to keep it nice. And it's near a stone, so protect everything. Oh, the fever grass, top grass might dry up. Uh-oh, did I lose my... Oh man, is it because of... Alright, this one is growing. I don't remember what this is. That's growing. Fever grass, let's see. Did I get one fresh leaf? Okay, so what happened is, do I feel rooted? I think it's coming along. I'm gonna have to trim this. Okay, I'm gonna trim that. So this tree here, okay. This tree here, this one might not have survived, but we're gonna water them. It's kind of dry. Sugarcane is doing good. Sugarcane is doing good. This one is shooting up. That one is doing good. So we're gonna put some water on these. Oh, Cocomo, wagwan. Coconut tree. Nice and easy. Coconut tree I grow. Cocomo, big up yourself. Twist a lemon, come through. Alright. So I'm gonna go look pan. See it there now? Right. See it there? Lime tree I grow. Or whatever fruit. Flowers. Dragon, respect yourself. Sugarcane I grow too. Fever grass, I have plant some more. We step on it. We could go look on the yucca tree. I will get rid of some things for them grow. Alright, yucca tree spring up new leaf. A Clinda. Stand firm. Put down some of them tree to give some sun. Alright. Check one easy now. That one easy I'm going with. Easy one going with. Easy. You leave it. Hey, stand firm enough. Don't get down the tree.